Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Jane Sarche. I'm a food writer and food photographer and food blogger, etc. This is Myrtle, my gorgeous campervan, and today we're bringing you lunch. Yeah, I'm doing a low carb chicken and broccoli with cashew nuts, and I hope you enjoy it. My pan is on. Let's get that puppy hot. About a tablespoon of coconut oil going in. Then I have 6 skinless and boneless chicken thighs that have all been chopped up going in. Now, if you're new around here, chances are you're going to want to subscribe to this channel. If you love all things campervan, camping and food related, then this is your channel, man. I exist for your viewing pleasure. So hit that subscribe button underneath and ding the little bell. That means you'll get notified every Wednesday when I upload my latest video. Clever, huh? Once your chicken goes in, just sit back and let it do its thing. Don't wiggle and jiggle it around too much. You'll see that it starts to turn opaque and white as the heat comes up and cooks the chicken through. And that way you're going to get a nice golden crust on the base. So, as with most things in cooking, patience is a virtue. So do let me know in the comments if you're going anywhere exciting this weekend in your campervan. We were away last weekend in Falmouth. We went to see a gig down there, which was really good. And I was planning to do this recipe for you then. However, unfortunately, Johnny got a bit crook. We think it was a dodgy pint, and he only had 1 pint, so it wasn't like an accumulation of pints, if you know what I mean. And then this weekend we're also away. We're going to see the Levelers play, and they're my favourite of a band, and that's very exciting. When the first side is nice and golden and you've turned them over, and you can pop your broccoli in. I'm using a whole head of broccoli here. I love broccoli. I'm just going to lay that over, and you see I've cut it into kind of long florets. I'm also going to pop in about half a red chilli and a couple of cloves of chopped garlic and a little dash of soy sauce. And I'm just going to pop the peace and quiet. Just going to pop the lid on for a couple of minutes just so it can steam that broccoli. You could also add a splash of liquid at this point as well, and that will help cook down that broccoli if you prefer it softer. When your chicken is cooked through and your broccoli is how you like it, just take about that many cashew nuts and do that. I'm going to add some more soy sauce because it's one of my favourite flavours. It's probably way too much salt, so don't copy me. I'm very naughty. I'm also going to pop on a drizzle of sesame oil for some extra fats, and because it tastes lovely. Give that a little stir around. And friends, my lunch is cooked. Oh, it looks so good. I'm just going to try this chicken. Done. Happy days. As always, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you give it a go when you're next out and about in your van. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this one and you'd like to see more recipes like this. And do leave me a comment below if you'd like to make a recipe request. Here's wishing you all a fabulous week. I hope you're out and about in your tent or your campervan or whatever your camping thing is. And I look forward to seeing you all next Wednesday for the next instalment. Until then, guys, happy camping. In case you were wondering, I couldn't find a fork.